threats to international peace and security caused by terrorist acts. Resolution 1452, 2002, adopted by the Security Council at its 4678th meeting, on the 20th of December 2002. The Security Council, recalling its resolutions 1267, 1999, of the 15th of October 1999, 1333, 2000, of the 19th of December 2000, 1363, 2001, of the 30th of July 2001 and 1390, 2002, of the 16th of January 2002, expressing its determination to facilitate the implementation of counter-terrorism obligations in accordance with relevant Security Council resolutions. Reaffirming its Resolution 1373, 2001, of the 28th of September 2001, and reiterating its support for international efforts to root out terrorism, in accordance with the Charter of the United Nations. Acting under Chapter 7 of the Charter of the United Nations. 1. Decides that the provisions of Paragraph 4b of Resolution 1267, 1999, and Paragraphs 1 and 2a of Resolution 1390, 2002, do not apply to funds and other financial assets or economic resources that have been determined by the relevant states to be a. necessary for basic expenses, including payments for foodstuffs, rent or mortgage, medicines and medical treatment, taxes, insurance premiums, and public utility charges, or exclusively for payment of reasonable professional fees and reimbursement of incurred expenses associated with the provision of legal services, or fees or service charges for routine holding or maintenance of frozen funds or other financial assets or economic resources, after notification by the relevant states to the committee established pursuant to Resolution 1267, 1999, hereinafter referred to as the Committee, of the intention to authorize, where appropriate, access to such funds, assets or resources, and in the absence of a negative decision by the committee within 48 hours of such notification. b. Necessary for extraordinary expenses, provided that such determination has been notified by the relevant states to the committee and has been approved by the committee. 2. Decides that all states may allow for the addition to accounts subject to the provisions of Paragraph 4b of Resolution 1267, 1999, and Paragraphs 1 and 2a of Resolution 1390, 2002, of a. interest or other earnings due on those accounts, or b. payments due under contracts, agreements or obligations that arose prior to the date on which those accounts became subject to the provisions of Resolutions 1267, 1999, 1333, 2000, or 1390, 2002, provided that any such interest, other earnings and payments continued to be subject to those provisions. 3. Decides that the committee shall, in addition to the tasks set forth in Paragraph 6 of Resolution 1267, 1999, and Paragraph 5 of Resolution 1390, 2002, a. maintain and regularly update a list of the states that have notified the committee of their intent to apply the provisions of Paragraph 1a above in their implementation of the relevant resolutions and as to which there was no negative decision by the committee, and b. consider and approve, if appropriate, requests for extraordinary expenses as provided for in Paragraph 1b above. 4. Decides that the exception provided for in Paragraph 4b of Resolution 1267, 1999, will cease to have effect from the date of adoption of this resolution. 5. Urges member states to take full account of the considerations set out above in their implementation of Resolution 1373, 2001. 6. Decides to remain seized of the matter.